This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add pages to your site's menu in WordPress. So what you're going to want to do, you can either go, this is my WordPress dashboard, you can either go to menus from here, or you can go to appearance, down to menus. So we're going to go here. All right, and we're going to see that I have some menus. So you need to select the menu that you want to add these pages to. So you see I have a few, and it's going to depend on the theme you're using, how many menus you're allowed to add. So say I have the main menu right here. And you can also go into this tab. This is going to show you what menus are assigned to which area. So you can see that I have 3 places that I can add menus to. I can add a before the header menu, I can add the header menu and the footer menu. So if I go back to, let's go to new menu then, right here. And this is linked both to my header menu and to my footer menu. And you're going to see the pages that I currently have linked to my menu. But if I want to add new pages, simply go to the left and you're going to see all the pages that you have that you can add. So all you do is click into one and then click add to menu. And there you go, I've added my page. I can even bring this up to a different place in the menu. I can make it as a drop down by doing that, bringing it to the side. You can even add custom pages that you may have that might not be listed here. If you go to the custom links, you would add the URL right here and then add the text that you want to show in the menu right here. And then there's a bunch of other things you could add. You could even add a post, a project, categories that you may have, etc. So that is how you add a page to WordPress. So if I hit save menu here and then I go to my site, and you see I hover over it, since I made it a drop down, you can see that now I have my test page as part of my site menu. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.